In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable pop-ups on iPhone. We will walk through the exact settings so Safari stops throwing those annoying windows in your face when you browse. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Look for the gray icon with gears on your home screen, then tap it once. When Settings opens, you will see a long list of options running down the screen. Now scroll until you see the word Apps and tap Apps. The Apps section groups settings for the different apps installed on your phone. You will see several app names listed in a stack on this page. From there, find Safari in the list and tap Safari. The Safari settings page will open with headings like Search, Privacy and Security, and tabs options lower down. This screen controls how Safari behaves every time you use it. Next up, turn Block Pop-ups on. Look for the switch labeled Block Pop-ups under the Safari settings. Tap the switch so it moves to the right and shows green. As soon as you do this, Safari starts blocking most pop-up windows without needing to restart the app. You might still see a few for sites that use special methods, but standard pop-ups will be blocked. With that ready, close Settings. You can swipe up from the bottom or press the side button, depending on your iPhone model. Once you are back on the home screen, Safari is already using the new pop-up blocking setting. The next time you browse, you should notice far fewer interruption windows. Now we will also enable fraudulent website warning. Open Settings again from your home screen so we can return to the Safari options. You should see the same gray gear icon you used earlier. After that, tap Apps, then Safari, just as before. This takes you back to the Safari settings page, so you can adjust another protection feature. Verifying you are on the Safari page again helps avoid changing the wrong app by accident. On this Safari page, turn Fraudulent Website Warning on. Look near the Privacy and Security section for the switch with that name. Tap it so the switch is on and shows green. When this is enabled, Safari checks websites against a known list of problem pages and shows a warning screen if a site is suspected of phishing. That means it can catch fake pop-ups that pretend to be Apple security alerts or prize messages. If pop-ups still appear, try a couple more quick checks. First, update your iPhone through Settings, then General, then Software Update. Installing the latest version can fix bugs that let some pop-ups through. Next, clear Safari website data. Go to Settings, then Apps, then Safari, and tap Clear History and Website Data. This removes stored cookies and scripts that some pop-up pages reuse to keep coming back. Finally, avoid tapping suspicious pop-ups that claim your iPhone has a virus or needs an urgent update, since those are usually scams rather than real Apple messages. You have now blocked most Safari pop-ups and added extra protection against fake warning pages on your iPhone, so please give this video a quick thumbs up if it helped, and subscribe if you want more simple iPhone fix guides like this.